The future of national parks, challenges and opportunities. National parks are some of the most spectacular places on Earth. They offer visitors an opportunity to explore and appreciate natural beauty while also providing important environmental protections. In this video, we will explore the history of national parks, their importance in modern society, and how they are managed. The history of national parks. The first national park, Yellowstone, was established in 1872. Since then, the National Park Service has expanded to include over 400 parks, monuments, and historic sites. The creation of national parks was initially motivated by the desire to preserve natural wonders and protect wildlife. Today, national parks serve as important symbols of national identity and provide a source of inspiration and education for visitors. The importance of national parks. National parks play a crucial role in preserving the natural beauty, protecting biodiversity, and providing important ecosystem services. They also provide opportunities for outdoor recreation, such as hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. National parks are essential to local economies, supporting jobs and tourism in surrounding communities. Management of national parks. Managing national parks requires a delicate balance between conservation, recreation, and tourism. National parks are managed by the National Park Service, which is responsible for preserving natural resources while also providing opportunities for visitors to experience the park. This involves managing visitor access, maintaining infrastructure, and protecting wildlife and natural resources. Challenges facing national parks. National parks face a number of challenges, including climate change, invasive species, overuse, and inadequate funding. Climate change is particularly concerning, as it is already impacting park ecosystems and may threaten the long-term viability of some national parks. The National Park Service is working to address these challenges through conservation efforts, scientific research, and community engagement. The future of national parks. The future of national parks will depend on our ability to address the challenges they face and ensure their long-term sustainability. This will require continued investment in conservation efforts, scientific research, and community engagement. It will also require a renewed commitment to preserving natural beauty and protecting biodiversity for future generations. Conclusion. National parks are a vital part of our natural heritage and provide important benefits to society. They offer opportunities for outdoor recreation, protect important natural resources, and provide a source of inspiration and education for visitors. As we look to the future, it is essential that we continue to invest in national parks and ensure their long-term sustainability for generations to come.